Hello guys, welcome to s.t.c. Academy. In this video, we'll be doing a market forecast of USDT. So first and foremost, we'll use a top-down analysis, meaning we'll be analyzing from a higher time frame, such as the daily, and then we'll go to the 4-hour time frame, and then we'll go to the lower time frame, such as the 1 hour and your 15 minutes. So the objective of doing a top-down analysis is simply to identify the current momentum, to identify who is in control of the market. Because what you want to do is to trade with the trend, is to trade with the momentum. So as you can see from this level, buyers were in control of the market, or bulls were in control of the market. But something happened here at this level. Something happened at this level, at these two levels. Instead of buyers continuing to push the market up just like this. No, it didn't work out that way. Price started to rally. Price started to range in between two levels, in between this resistance level and this support level. So we call this area here, we call this a ranging pattern. So what does a ranging pattern mean? Psychology behind a ranging pattern. So a ranging pattern simply indicates indecision or equal power between buyers and sellers, meaning buyers and sellers have equal power. No one is in control of the market. Just like I said, previously buyers were in control. So you were seeing an uptrend, but then now price started to rally in between two levels, meaning buyers and sellers have equal power. That's why price is rallying in between the resistance and the support until one side decides to win, until one side wins the war. And then we'll see a break. It's either we see a break in the uptrend and then price continues to push up, meaning buyers will have won, or we see a break in the support and then we see price doing this, going down, meaning sellers will have won. So currently now, okay, if you have watched my previous video, if you are a beginner, okay, we have identified now price is currently in a ranging pattern. How do you trade a ranging pattern? If you are a beginner, hear me right. If you are a beginner, how you trade the ranging pattern, you wait for price to get to the resistance level, and then you look for selling opportunities, and you wait for price to get to the support level, and you look for buying opportunities. But if you're intermediate and you want to better your skill, and if you're advanced, you can now identify trends inside of trends inside of ranging pattern. So this goes to people who are advanced. So from here on, I'll be analyzing for people who are advanced and intermediate. So, okay, we have a ranging pattern like this. And let me dive into the 4-hour time frame. So from the 4-hour time frame, you can see these two levels. Let me draw the resistance level here. We have a resistance level here. A beautiful, clear resistance level. So if you are a beginner, okay, first, if you are a beginner, what you have to do is to wait for price to get to your resistance level. That's when you'll be looking for selling opportunities. Do not trade in the middle of a range pattern. And if you're a beginner, you have to wait for price to do this to get to your resistance level, and then you look for selling opportunities, and then you wait for price to get to your support level, and you look for buying opportunities if you're a beginner. But if you are now intermediate, if you are now advanced, if you are now familiar, you start to identify trends in trends, meaning you can identify patterns inside of a pattern, and then you can trade them, just like in this case. Why in a ranging pattern, but you can identify uptrends, downtrends, then you can trade them. But then this is how you trade them. If price was moving from a resistance level, just like here, going down, you are looking to identify a downtrend, and then you are looking to sell. You are looking for selling opportunities. And when price gets to this level, a support, you are now only looking for buying opportunities, meaning you are looking for an uptrend. So, okay, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. That's when we identify these trends. So from the 4-hour time frame, from the 1-hour time frame, sorry, you can identify this downtrend here. Previously, price was in a downtrend. So know that price doesn't move in a straight line. It impulse corrects if it's moving in an uptrend. Also in a downtrend, it impulse corrects, but then moving downwards. So just like here, you can see that price gave an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, correction, impulse. So if you want to trade a trend inside of a ranging pattern and currently price is moving towards the support, meaning you are looking for selling opportunities, you have to wait for price to impulse first, and then when price is retracing or correcting, that's when you are looking for selling opportunities, meaning it's either you sell here or you sell here when price retraces, or you sell here. So now price is moving in an uptrend now, heading towards the resistance level. What you are looking for is for buying opportunities. So it's either we wait for price to give us a clear uptrend, or you can trade level breakout, just like this level. Just like this level. So as you can see, price pushing up, corrects, impulse, correction, impulse, retracement or correction, and then an impulse. So what you are looking for is to buy at this level. Is to buy here with your stop loss below this support level, and then your TP and the resistance. Then you have a 1:3. So this is what you can do. But then this is good for people who are now advanced. But then if you're a beginner, what you can do is to wait for price to get to your resistance, and you look for, and you sell here and wait for price to get to your support, and then you buy here. So yeah, thank you. Hope this video helps you. And if you are not inside our Telegram group, join our Telegram group. That's when I explain this in more detail. Thank you.